for everybody on the call. We have a special guest today, Mr. Todd Marquardt from the BackNine, and he's going to be talking about some life insurance. All right, Todd, go ahead.
All right. Thank you very much, Todd Ullman. I appreciate it. Before I get into life insurance, I do want to make a couple announcements regarding BackNine. We did just onboard an annuity expert to help all our agents in annuity sales. His name's Matt Gazzacki. In addition to Matt, we have Monty Tarnall, who does disability insurance, and Claude Tao, who does long-term care insurance. So if you have a particularly complex case in any three of those lines, please give me a call and I can connect you with them if I cannot help you out myself. Of course, I can still run illustrations, show you everything on those products. A couple of things I'd like to hit on today would be pre-qualifying underwriting risks. Knowing which products you should show your carriers, your clients when you're presenting life insurance, and the announcement of a new product we have available on Quote and Apply. Let's start out with pre-qualifying underwriting risks. When you're talking to your clients, please try to gain as much information about their lifestyle, their health conditions, what prescriptions they're taking. This has become a pretty big issue, and we've made quite a few strides in improving our placement ratio, but we'd like to get it up even higher, hopefully around the 80% rate. When you talk to your clients, don't just ask them what health conditions you have, ask them what medications they have. If they respond, I'm taking Lovastatin, ask them what for. I'm taking Xanax once a week. Are you taking any other medications? Are you receiving any other treatments? If somebody tells you that they have diabetes, ask them when they were diagnosed. That helps me determine what type of diabetic they are. Ask them what medications they're taking. Ask them what their A1C level, or if that's too complicated, just merely ask them, how well is it controlled? How is it treated? That type of instance. Have you ever been hospitalized for this condition? That should be a question you ask all your clients, even with a simplified issue product. A hospitalization in the last 6 months could lead to a decline, even though a fully underwritten carrier would write it. It's best to get the information up front so we don't start out with a decline. When you're talking to your clients about life insurance, I know I've said this before, a great conversation to have with them to determine type of life insurance, because there are several types. We have term, universal life, both indexed, variable, and traditional. We have GULs, which is a guaranteed universal life plan, which guarantees coverage for life, but you have very little to no cash value in the plan. We have whole life, both participating and non-participating. Non-participating whole life is a product that merely guarantees the cash value is going to equal to the death benefit when the policy matures. Participating whole life pays dividends. Not only does this product guarantee that the policy will endow at maturity, meaning cash value will be the same as the death benefit when the policy matures, either at age 100 or 121. It'll also pay dividends on top of that. These dividends can help increase your cash value, increase your death benefit because you purchased paid up additional insurance. Much better for a life insurance retirement plan design or an infinite banking design. Think of the participating whole life plan as the Cadillac of life insurance. Very rich in benefits, very good cash value. Not as much upside potential as you would have with an index universal life, but you do have quite a bit of upside potential there. And not to mention, they offer quite a bunch of options for collecting your dividends. You could receive an annual check every year equal to the dividend amount paid. You could buy paid up additions, which not only increases your death benefit, increases your cash value to help the money accrue over time. Try and get a feel for what your client needs. Final expense is another example of a whole life plan, but it's non-participating. That means the cash value is going to be equal to the death benefit once it matures, age 100 or 120, depending on the product. We also offer accidental death policies. These pay only if you're in an accident, pay a death benefit. Great for people who are uninsurable. When you're talking with your clients, they say, you know what, John, I'm interested in a life insurance policy. Start the conversation with, are you looking for protection or accumulation? This opens up an opportunity for you not only explain how life insurance can build up cash value, it also builds up the opportunity to show what types of death benefit protection you can get. If somebody tells you, I'm interested in nothing but a death benefit, great. You ask them, how much coverage do you need for how long? Helps determine whether or not we need a permanent plan or a term plan. They say, I've got $1 million mortgage. It's 30-year mortgage. I'm just looking to protect that. You want to sell $1 million 30-year term. If they tell you, you know what, right now I need $1 million to help cover my mortgage, leave something for my wife, help my children through school, but I would like to have at least some coverage for my wife after the kids are out of school, the mortgage is paid, everything else. You might want to look into a term blend where we sell partial term coverage, cover the mortgage, cover the kids' college education, and put a little permanent insurance on the side to help support his wife or uh, whoever or her husband, and help them after these temporary needs are covered. Right? If someone says they want an accumulation product, they're looking into building up as much cash value in a policy as they can. Ask them how much you want to spend and for how long. Our quote and apply system set up specifically for this and primarily for life insurance retirement planning designs. And you might have a 40-year-old client who says, you know what, I want to pay $1,000 a month till I'm age 65. We know which way to steer this sale. We know we want an accumulation product. We know we want them to pay for 25 years until they're age 65. If they're looking to take income off of that product, just like quote and apply ask them how much income do they want and for how long. Our quote and apply tool is set up on the life insurance retirement plan designed to start everybody paying until age 65, start income from ages 66 to 90. Within quote and apply, you can change those parameters. You could have them paying annually for 10 years and not taking income to age 70 and taking income all the way up to age 100 or even beyond. Good to get to know what your client's needs are, and let's design the plan around that instead of just simply presenting a term quote to everybody. Does anybody have any questions on how you would discuss this with your clients? No? Okay. So to get back to our quote and apply tool, we've added new product, quote and apply. It's an additional participating whole life plan with National Life Group out of Texas. It's marketed under Life of the Southwest. It's called their Total Secure Whole Life Plan. This product is amazing, gives you amazing flexibility for a whole life plan. First of all, it's participating, it's earning dividends. Second of all, it has living benefits. And I would normally address this as saying they have 3 living benefits, when in reality, Life of the Southwest offers 5 living benefits. They offer a chronic illness rider. This rider would help somebody who might need long-term care assistance later in life. They offer a critical illness rider. This is for a heart attack, stroke, cancer. Have an event like that, you get a lump sum payout for critical illness based on contractual wording of the policy, which basically it's underwritten when you go on claim, but they determine how much of your death benefit, up to 75%, can you collect for your critical illness. Third benefit would be terminal illness. This would be the least beneficial living benefit, in my opinion. Terminal illness will pay out if your doctor says you have less than 1 year to live. And you can receive up to 90% of your death benefit in a lump sum. It's difficult to get a doctor to write a note to your insurance company saying that you have less than 1 year to live. They're worried about the liabilities there, lawsuits, and everything else. In addition to these benefits, Life of the Southwest offers a Alzheimer's benefit. That pays a lump sum benefit if you pays a benefit, sorry, not lump sum, if you are diagnosed with Alzheimer's, an additional benefit additional to the chronic illness, right? And they offer a guaranteed lifetime income rider. This lifetime income rider would be used in situations where you have a life insurance retirement plan design, where somebody's supplementing their retirement with a life insurance plan for non-taxable income, guaranteed for life, coming out of their life insurance plan. At the time you are ready to exercise your income option, you let them know you get a predetermined monthly benefit that can never end and the policy stays in force. Pretty incredible benefit, and to have this linked to a participating whole life plan is amazing. In addition to this, Life Insurance of the Southwest product offers the most flexibility and payment duration on a participating whole life plan I've ever seen. They will, and within quote and apply, you can illustrate a single pay, paid up whole life, all the way up until a lifetime pay. So any year you choose, the software will produce an illustration. Keep in mind, if you're under 5 years, you're most likely going to have a MEC, a modified endowment contract. But this flexibility is unique in the industry. It's a great product. Dividends are competitive. Life of the Southwest is a very strong company. They're straight there out of Texas. Did anybody have any questions about the Life of the Southwest Total Secure Whole Life Plan? Has anybody seen it on our platform yet? I guess not. All right, right now I'm open to any questions people may have.
Todd, sounds like they're a little quiet today.
Yeah, it does. Definitely a quiet group. Anybody have any questions about quote and apply?
Well, I guess not.
Yeah, I guess not. Yeah, it's pretty quiet. I think everybody's muted though.
Are they? They can
Olaf,
all
I see
unmute
you
them.
there. Henry, David, Courtney.
Yeah, they can all unmute themselves.
Okay. Yeah, Todd, did you have any questions?
I didn't, Todd. I am good to go.
All right. Well, anybody, if you have any questions about annuity, long-term care, life, disability plans, please don't hesitate to reach out to me at 805-413-4302. In addition, you all have my email address and my cell phone number, and I try to make myself as available as possible.
Well, that's what I'd like to say. Todd is just excellent at customer service. His team at the BackNine is unbelievable how great they are as far as helping the agents. So if you really want to get into life insurance, get with the BackNine and you can't go wrong.
Thank you, Todd.
All right. Well, that concludes today's webinar. Y'all have a great day. Thank you, Todd.
All right. Thank you.